Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to block screenshots on emo. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to block screenshots on email. It is because you want to secure your privacy by just blocking the screenshots of your messages and your stuff so that nobody could screenshot it so you keep your account private. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that you have already installed Emo app from Google Play or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the app to open the Emo. Once it get open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Right now we are in the chat section where all the chats appear. If you click on it, you will get different things, and every option here has its own different purpose. Simply click on your profile icon and then you will see a lot of different options here. Every option is different from each other. From all these options, you just have to simply select this second option, which is security and privacy. Just simply tap on it and we will get into the settings and privacy section of our account, where all the options and matters are related to security and privacy, through which you can secure your privacy and can secure your account. Here we have this first option, chat and call privacy. So we have to click on it and then we will again see different options. From all these options, two options are related to what we are here for. The second option, you could block screenshots for chats, and from the last option you could block screenshots for calls. If you enable the second option, then nobody will be able to take screenshots of your chats. You just have to simply click on this button and then this option will be turned on, and whenever they try to take a screenshot they will not be able to take it. Their mobile system will stop them from taking screenshots. So that's how you can keep your chats private from not getting being screenshot by others. Simply tap on this option and this option is now enabled, so now nobody could take screenshots for chat. So here you have to get and then you have to block screenshot for calls. So when you are video calling somebody, they take screenshots of your video in which you are standing or maybe doing some stuff. So that's how, if you enable it, they will not be able to take screenshots while you are video recording, while you're video calling or doing simple calls. So that's how you can secure your account, by just blocking the screenshots for chats and for calls. This was the easiest way I know through which you can block screenshot for chats and calls on emo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.